Let's go off-roading. My wife's behind me, but I have a feeling she's gonna get stuck at the light. Nope, she made her. I'm just cruising along, 25 miles an hour, waiting for my wife to catch up with me. My bike loves this weather. It's like 77 degrees and it just loves it. It's starting to cool off. Man, I feel like... Oh, sorry, gimbal. I just bumped my gimbal. Somebody's in trouble. Somebody. Look how straight she goes. It just goes straight. Just goes straight, straight, straight. I could fall asleep. We should really test our 0 to 60. They need to make a 0 to 60 app. Should we see if we can time it? I'm gonna give you a clear view of the 60 mile an hour. I mean the thing. Okay? And then we'll time it with the computer. Just see what we can do with 0 to 60. I'm kind of scared because this thing's got some power. Hopefully nothing goes in front of me. Oh, there's a semi, of course. We can go around him, right? Okay, ready? That didn't work. That was lame. Okay, here we go. Ready? 60! I'm really concerned that I'm spinning the back tire. I'm pretty sure I can feel it spinning. What are we doing? Taking photos. There's a bug in my helmet. I saw him crawling on my visor. Not on my face, is he? Where'd he go? Is anyone having fun yet? I saw a bunny. We might have a problem here. She smells hot. I'm not talking about my wife. But she's hot also. Sorry, I was testing my 0 to 60 times. Oh. But then the semi got in my way. Then I had to start over. I think my back tire was sliding a little, slipping a little bit.
Request.
What's my request?
Can you please keep at least one hand on the handlebars at all times?
I do, don't I? When did I have my hands not on the handlebars? I have my hand on the handlebars. I wanted to race that Mustang, but he didn't. It was too busy. There's too much traffic.
At least one hand.
When did I not have my hands? All I did was one time I shook my gloves down. No. Oh no, there's another time when I was going straight. I was going to see how long it could go straight without. Yeah, I remember that now. There wasn't nothing in the way. It's such a nice ride. You want to go for a ride? Oh, 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 oh! Scooter. Front tire almost ran over a scooter.